Hello, in this video we'll be talking about the 75 watt Eleaf iStick PICO, PICO. It's an acronym meaning preferable, innovative, compact, and outstanding. It's a small but advanced mod. Let's take a look in the kit. Here is the mod. It runs on a single 18650 cell, which you'll need to buy separately. You'll want that to be a high-rate battery, above 25 amps. Here is a Mellow 3 mini atomizer. Here's a 0.3 ohm EC head. And here's a 0.5 ohm EC head. These are your seal rings. Here is a USB cable. And then you get a iStick PICO manual. And finally a Mellow 3 manual. Colors available are black, white, hot pink, silver, and gray. Let's check out the tank, the Mellow 3 mini atomizer. It is constructed with 304 stainless steel. The tank's dimensions are 22 mm by 55 mm. The Mellow 3 mini atomizer can hold 2 milliliters of e-liquid. It is 510 threaded. It has a removable 510 drip tip. This is a top filling tank. To fill the tank, you'll first spin this top counterclockwise to remove it. Once the top is off, you can easily fill the tank down these side holes. To remove the glass, simply hold the base and spin and pull the glass to separate it from the base. Here you can see the wicking inlet to your atomizer. With the glass removed, you can change out the O-rings to match your style. Your airflow control can be adjusted via the bottom ring. Just a slight turn fully opens or closes the airflow. This feature is pretty nice because it makes it easier to remove the bottom base. To access your atomizer head, you'll need to spin the bottom base to open the tank. Here you see the pre-installed 0.3 ohm coil. This coil is rated for 30 to 80 watts. Unscrew the coil from the base to remove it. Now to prime the atomizer. Put some drops into the inner sides of the top of your atomizer head to saturate from the top. Also, put a few drops onto the cotton through the wicking holes on the sides of the atomizer head. Next, fill the tank and allow the atomizer to begin soaking up the e-liquid for 3 to 5 minutes. You can accelerate the process by opening your airflow and drawing air through the tank, like you would when you are vaping, to pull liquid from the tank into the atomizer head. Let's check out the mod. It is really quite tiny and fits nicely in the palm of your hand. Being only 70 millimeters tall, 23 millimeters deep, and 45 millimeters across, it is very convenient and portable. A single high-rate 18650 cell powers the device. Despite the compact size, the iStick PICO allows a 75 watt maximum output. You can operate the device in variable wattage, bypass, and temp control in nickel, titanium, stainless steel, and TCR modes. To power the device off and on, press the fire button 5 times. To turn stealth mode off or on, press the fire button and the down button together when the device is powered on. In stealth mode, press the fire button once for a quick look at the display. To swap the orientation of the display on the mod to left-handed or right-handed mode, press and hold the up and down button together while the device is powered off. To toggle output modes, press the fire button 3 times while the device is on. This will open a menu on the display. Toggle through the options with the up and down buttons. To select a mode, press the fire button, or wait 10 seconds to select the new mode. Once again, the mode options are variable wattage, bypass, and temp control in nickel, titanium, and stainless steel, as well as 3 preset modes called M1, M2, and M3. Variable wattage mode supports coils from 0.1 to 3.5 ohms. The usable wattage range is from 1 watt to 75 watts. Bypass mode also supports 0.1 to 3.5 ohm coils. The voltage is equal to the output of your battery in this mode. Temperature control modes support 0.05 to 1.5 ohm coils. Temperature ranges from 100 to 315 degrees Celsius or 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. To set up TCR mode, or M1, M2, and M3 mode, press and hold the fire button and up button while the device is powered off. Cycle between the TCR modes with the up and down buttons. Press the fire button on the mode selected to modify its output. Set the TCR temp according to the material used in your coil. To adjust wattage in temp control modes, press the fire button 4 times, then use the up and down buttons to change the wattage. Press and hold the up or down button to scroll and move quickly in this menu. To adjust your temperature setting, press the up or down buttons to range from 100 to 315 degrees Celsius or 200 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. You can also hold up or down to scroll in this menu. Toggle between Celsius and Fahrenheit in any temp control mode by moving outside the allowed temperature range to round robin into Celsius or Fahrenheit. For example, at 600 degrees Fahrenheit, press up to go to 100 degrees Celsius. To lock or unlock your atomizer base resistance, press and hold the up button and the fire button for 2 seconds. Remember, always lock in your base resistance while at room temperature. You can charge the device through a 1 amp wall adapter or computer, but the recommended method of charging is via an external balanced battery charger. If the charge is at less than 10%, the battery life icon will blink. During charging, the display will blink. When the device is fully charged, the screen will turn off. Firing the mod for longer than 10 seconds will cause it to display the over 10 seconds warning. When attempting to fire on a coil below the firing ratings, based on the output mode selected, you will see the low atomizer warning displayed. In the case of a short circuit, the device will display atomizer short. When your battery gets low, you will see weak battery displayed. We'd recommend you stop and charge your device at this time. In the event of a low battery, the mod will display the battery lock warning. On another attempt to discharge the battery, you will be greeted with the lock message. When your atomizer gets to the temp setting when firing in temperature control mode, you will see temp protection displayed. When the PICO is displaying this, you can continue to use the device normally. If the whole device starts to overheat, you will see the error, "Device too hot." Thank you for watching our video. More information is available on our website, at our stores, or through our customer service lines.